Welcome back, B+E
Family! Yo, squad, today we're doing the rope drop challenge.
Woo woo! During spring break.
Which means we gotta go ahead and go left to go on to Guardians. Alright, fam, today's video is brought to you by
ExpressVPN.
Squad. When we're out and about in theme parks and we need to go ahead and get a good internet connection, and the phones just don't cut it, we rely on the Wi-Fi. And let's face it, public Wi-Fi.
It's scary because hackers can get into the same network and steal your information, steal your passwords, steal your privacy.
Then that's not a fun thing that you want to worry about when you're out and about having a good time at theme parks or just anywhere else. So with that said, we rely on ExpressVPN to go ahead and keep us
safe,
yes,
secure.
A secure connection, a fast connection that can go ahead and allow us to transmit those heavy data like information across whatever format that we need. On top of that, when we're in line waiting to go ahead and jump on a ride or maybe even do a mobile order,
we watch shows from other countries
on Netflix or other streaming platforms. And so with that said,
they have 94 countries to choose from. Insane.
When you need to watch your telenovelas, your Korean dramas, you want to pop into to another location and get that good family. It's the way to go ahead and do so.
Of course, fam. So go ahead and click the link in the description box and use our code for 3 free months.
3 free months, what?
And now back to our video.
Hey, you're in full attraction mode.
Incredicoaster, here we come.
Set it right down. All right, rope drop. An intense attraction mode is happening, man. Let's do this. By the way, last update, they hung on. Becky's Lashes made it. Also, don't forget to get the best gluten-free cookies here. Actually, they just might be the best cookies ever. But seriously, let's go. Okay, so we are 48 minutes in, 2 rides down, 2 of the big rides down. We're gonna go ahead and do the death wheel.
Yeah,
and then
2
go
of the big rides, which is Incredicoaster and Guardians. It was so good, so much fun.
And a snack. So far, hanging in there. All right, death wheel or nothing. Let's go.
It was a walk-on, so let's do this.
Pro tip, if you want to go ahead and make it extra swingy, you go ahead and treat it like a swing and push into the motion.
Don't do that. Literally do not do that. Eli's just evil. Who goes on the death wheel and eats a cookie?
Not just any cookie, a num-num.
So you're the best gluten-free cookie ever?
Mayday! Mayday!
Wait, the ears! Secure the ears, people! Oh my gosh, I'm getting dizzy. Ah! Get me off this thing!
See, while everyone's on the big rides, this side of the park is completely empty. Attraction mode, fully activated for rope drop. Just saying.
Oh my gosh, yes. 5 minutes for Goofy Sky School. Let's do this.
Any other time of the day, it's like forever. Ah! No! Dangerous!
Alright guys, Num Num Cookie, which I already took a bite. This is the best breakfast ever. Are so delicious. Texture, everything, on point, guys. Highly recommend.
We're finally in. Yes.
25 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Okay, that's the longest wait.
A bit longer.
And it's 9:49. Okay, so
yeah, rope drop is basically done.
no, I think we can still do 2 rides. 2 rides. If we play it right, we might be able to do Little Mermaid and Grizzly River Run before it gets crazy packed. We'll see. But first, this. Oh yeah, you can totally tell the park is now kind of waking up, awake. All right, Little Mermaid time.
Little Mermaid, it should be a walk-on.
I love it when it's a walk-on. This is sweet.
Am I all sleepy?
No, dude, it's hot, dude. It's hot. I put on too many layers, guys. Way too many layers. Oh my God, it's Ariel. I know her. She's right here. Oh, wait, no. What's the wait time right now? Like,
5 minutes for Grizzly.
let's go.
And
Nick and Judy. Sorry.
Nick and Judy.
Let's go.
Distraction.
Dude, total walk on.
That's all.
Walk on.
Guys,
No poncho squad, guys. Let's go.
I'm using Mila's jacket though.
Guys, you all know how it is. You come prepared. You bring your jackets. You cover yourself. But La reinas never want to carry anything.
No, you're right.
Hello there. Proceed right.
He made me get on this. I was not gonna get on this at all. Eli lets down the header. Oh my god, it's starting right.
Direct hit. No. Wiggle. Ah! Everybody take it. Ah! Oh! Oh my God! Let's go! Oh my God! Ah! That's actually really nice. No, yeah, you got soaked.
I like that.
Alright guys, so 7 rides in by 10:30
That's amazing.
with enough time to go ahead and grab food and then hop over at 11. So I mean, rope drop totally works for it. Fish and chips time.
Ooh.
Of course, you had to go ahead and get yourself the birria tacos, right?
I mean, they never miss. They just taste good regardless.
And of course,
And
the phonies,
consomme.
the phonies first.
The phony? Yeah.
Bro, what'd you get?
I don't know.
Tacos de asada, the horchata con rom, el rompompito. And of course, you guys already saw the fish and chips with the slaw. And of course, the ice cold beer. Sheesh. The fish and chips seasonal favorite. Oh my gosh, these things are tasty. And I love it when they actually bring you the sauce. Yes. Little dipping action. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa dentro. Oh, good. Oh, good. That beer, that battered like cod fish is so good. So tasty. Flaky fish. Oh my gosh. It just dissolves in your mouth. Sauce is amazing. Seasoned well. And of course, the best thing, because Smokejumpers actually has the best fries here at DCA. Next to like the best onion rings. So that's always a win. 5 out of 5. We're here for Le Rex juice.
Le Rex juice.
Juice made by the only one. Oh yeah.
What a wonderful day, what a glorious day. The whole world is coming alive.
Okay, somehow we went from rides to food, and I'm over here at Batu. There's something I haven't tried yet. And we gotta try this, fam. Corn, chile, and cheese pies? Roasted poblano peppers? Get out of here. Con maíz? Mozzarella, citrus dipping sauce. I mean, granted, the popcorn is always gluten-friendly here at the Disneyland parks, which is tasty, caramel flavor for those that have that gluten allergy. Fire, right? Even on a different world. But with Food and Wine Festival going on, and empanadas happening over there, which are so tasty, con el chile relleno, this one happens to be with el poblano pepper. Yo, that means it's gonna be spicier con la salsita. I'm in. Okay, está calientito. It's hot, it's flaky, it's crusty. That's sauce dipping action. Now la salsita, the sauce is said to be citrusy. So we'll find out what it means. Pa arriba, pa abajo, pa el centro, pa dentro. This out of the gate, if you can have the one for Food and Wine Festival, that one, when you immediately bite into, you get the chili, you get the cheese, you get everything coming out of it. This one, there's more crust, more flakiness to it, which if you're a lover of bread or breadiness, like this works for you. The sauce is actually quite refreshing, quite citrusy. I can feel that zest in it. Let's face it, with any type of empanada, you kind of want to know what the filling is. Here we go. This should be a real bite. So if you're not familiar with poblano pepper, it's a type of heat that the senses, the nostrils, the smells, everything comes up through, but the heat is quite mellow. And it's got a flavor profile quite unique. It's very earthy, but at the same time, it's a welcoming heat that makes you want more. Now, because there's corn in this, the sweetness overpowers that heat level, which makes it even more welcoming for the bite, even with that citrus sauce. This is a unique find. Definitely 4 out of 5. Love it. Even the first order can't stop us.
Have you seen anything suspicious? All right. Carry on. Excellent. Sorry to interrupt, but we'd like to know what you're doing on that data pad.
Alright fam, I don't know what happened to the audio. We ended up doing 7 rides during the rope drop challenge. Let us know if you try this challenge. Tag us on social media and we'll catch you in the next one.